Listen, she went hard though.
The dark nature.
Red is.
Oh my gosh, where the heck is this thing at?
She got her mama here. She got her mama here. Lele can do that. She gonna get on there.
Alright, no.
They're gonna give her a ticket for downstairs.
Oh my gosh, this has to be so dang annoying. Yep. Wait, what am I doing? Something stupid. Oh. Let's just go ahead and find it. Finally. Now it's time for the dark nature one last time. Oh, shut up, puppy. So I'm gonna find this real quick. What the oh my god, this stuff getting on my goddamn nerves. Yep, it is. Hush! Shut up! Good lordy. Oh my god, they get so dang annoying. Hey, I know they're little, but they need to be quiet. Hush. Those are my freaking nerves. Stand whenever they gotta work. No kick. Alright. What the? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, they don't even shut up. Shut up. Oh my gosh.
Hey, Papa's sister went.
Shut up.
Now.
Alright, let's go. Come on. Alright. I'll come back for you guys real quick. Right now. Let me do this one. Whew. What's this? Shut up! What is you doing on top of your mama? Little puppy? Alright, so let's just go in there. Hurry up. Just, yeah, can you get all coming for you? Alright. Just hurry up. Okay, good lordy. This is gonna be something that's really irritating. If I have to remake this, I'm gonna be pissed off as hell. Like freaking hell. My answer. You gonna grab me down? Yeah, let me get you. Come on. Let's go. Oh my gosh, you never shut up. Alright. You don't have to yell at them, they're just little kids. Supposed to be dark. You know, in the fucking dark. Yeah. I get what you're trying to say. You're no kid. Alright. I swear they need to fucking shut up! Shut up! Alright, let's just keep like that. Oh my gosh. They need to shut up! Dang, get on my freaking nerves. Shut up. Now, what the hell? Nasty ass dogs. It's fuck. Camera room. This on, man. This is nasty. You know what? Can we just stop all that? Cause this is not gonna be great in yet. You're gonna blame me on you? Why? Because you stay there yelling about some damn dogs. Keep on destroying your stuff and shit like that. Yeah, let me get up. Yeah. All right. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. All right. Let's do this. One last time.